in the middle of the harvest again, and it's back on the road getting the chips from the farm in Highland Flats, which is 45 miles approximately south of the Canadian border, to St. Mary's, to our distillery at the farm there.
It's been a great adventure. I mean, it has given me back so much joy and soul to work hard and to realize what it takes to get that little bottle of oil.
Gary Young has brought to us a whole realm of oils, very good products that probably would never have been found. And to have a chance to sit and eat with Gary Young himself at this camp and talk and listen to him, it adds a great bit of wealth of information.
It opens your eyes to change how you do things, change how you live. It makes you realize that not everything can be bought in a store or manufactured in a chemistry lab, that there are many things that are here for us, given to us, that we simply need to make use of because they're right in front of our eyes.
Well, I think it's important to make the effort to come and do this kind of thing because it takes a lot of work to harvest a crop and to take it to its finished product.